match1 dot span. Match1 dot span. Enter. It is a method, so use parentheses, please. It says 19, 25. So likewise, you will get to know. Now, use up arrow, check match 2. Use up arrow. Now, match 1 we tried, right? Use up arrow. Not now. Go use up arrow. Keep using up arrow. Keep using up arrow, up, up. No. Come down arrow. Here you change it to match 2. No, sorry. Scroll up. One more up arrow. One more up arrow. Now you change it to pattern 2. Pattern 2. Now you put instead of capital P, you put small p. Instead of capital P, you put small p. Enter. Now you give match 2 equal to the same search. Try it. Match 2. Yeah. Match 2 equal to search. Now you print match 2. So guys, now enter. Right. Enter. Print match 2. Nothing is there. What does that mean? If there is no match, then it will be empty object. It will be empty. So whenever you see an empty, you can be doubly sure that hey, there is no match. Okay. Now, but I want to match. How? Use up arrow. Use up arrow. One more up arrow. After text 1. After text 1. No. Down arrow. After text 1, put a comma. Put re dot capital I. Capital I stands for ignore case. These are all called flags. Now enter it. Execute that. Now you put a match 2. Now do you see that it is getting matched? So if you want to have a case insensitive match, you should set the flag to re.I. Okay. So guys, any doubts or questions so far? Any questions or doubts so far? Now, what we should be knowing. Now we know that hey, in the pattern I have put a Python and I'm able to get it. If I want to match for small Python as well, I should say like re.I. Okay, good. Now, how to give a pattern there? Instead of the word Python, how can we give a pattern there? Okay, so that is where it will make more sense. Okay, what you do, you give something like this. You put this. Copy this. So let it have some string, text 3 equal to, you copy paste this. And you put a match 3 equal to next command. I'm putting it. Take that. So no, I have already paused it. Just to take that. So here I have a sentence where there is a digit. Okay, where there is a digit. So how do I mention the digit? /d. So guys, remember that small d /small d represents digit. Now you print match 3 and then check the value. Okay. At line number 20, where is that? 20, index number 25, it is getting matched, right? What is the string? What is our search string? The code starts on 25th. Okay, now use up arrow. Use up arrow. Use up arrow. Go to that match 3. Now instead of /d, small d, can you change it to small instead of capital D? Enter it. Check the match 3. So you see that the course starts on everything has got matched. Why? Normally in regular expression, if you use the capital D, that will be the opposite of the small d. What is the small d? Digit. If you put a slash capital D, which means that non-digit, it can be anything. Now use up arrow, give slash small s, give small s, remove that plus, enter it, check for match 3. You see that between 3 and 4, the space is getting matched. So small s is space. Use the same thing, but now you put capital S. Capital S. So which is non-space. Put a match 3. You see that the very first letter itself is getting matched. Now use up arrow, you put slash capital S plus. Plus means what? One or more character. Plus. Plus means one or more character. So now it has matched the, and then it has stopped. Why? Because after the there is a space. Okay, after C there is a, after the there is a space. If we put a slash capital S, we are referring the non-space. So it is getting matched. So likewise, there are a lot of sets, all those things are there. I will be sending you the document for that. But for now, you just remember. Small d is like digit, capital D is like a not a digit. Small s is a space, capital S is a not a digit. Now small w, okay? Small w represents alphabet, digit, and underscore. Small w, okay? Now go back to your code, change it to small w and execute. Okay, the D is getting matched. Now put a small w plus. W stands for word, by the way. Plus. Now the first word should come. Enter. You see that D is coming. Why? Slash W means any alphabet, and then what is that? Any alphabet, and then digit underscore. Now use up arrow. Use up arrow. After plus, put a curly symbol and put PYTHON. Curly brace 6. 6. Close the curly brace. Execute it. What is that? Okay, fine. Yeah. What you do? Can you put the slash? So okay, go to that. Remove that slash w plus. Remove that. Remove that. What you do? Put a square parenthesis. No. Why did you remove 6? Square okay, there you put 6. Go to the left. Put a square parenthesis. Put say Python. Type Python. Or else you remove that. Remove Python. Let us make it a hyphen z. A small a. Okay, fine. Capital Z. Small a now. Put a small a. Hyphen capital Z. A small z. Close the parenthesis. Square parenthesis. Execute it now. Now put a match 3. Now do you see that the course is getting matched? How many letters are there in the course? How many letters are there in the course? How many letters are there? One second, guys. One second, guys. Give me a minute. I'll be back. So, guys, now Now you see that in that word there is a six letter. Now, Anushka, how do you take the four-letter word, three-letter word, five letters word? How will you do? In that set, you should change it to four. Execute it, print match three. So, okay, fine, good. Use up arrow. Use up arrow. Okay. So go to the left. Go to the left. Yeah. So one second. And after that four curly brace, put a slash s. No, no, backslash. Backslash. Backslash s. Execute it. Now you check it. Okay. Now use up arrow. Before R single quote and then backslash s. R single quote. R single quote and then backslash s. Enter. Check it now. Nothing is matching. Okay. Cool. Someone wants to join. Who is that guy? Okay. Can you print that text 3? Let us look at it first. Text 3. Okay. What is that? The course starts on. Okay. So we are putting slash s. Okay. And then this thing. Okay. So what you do, use up arrow. Use up arrow. R single quote slashes is there, right? There you put a plus. Execute that. Let us check. Okay. Okay, so not getting matched. So guys, so course has, okay, can you tell me how many four-letter words are there? Okay, guys, there is no four-letter word at all. Right? Can you try check with the two? Instead of four, there is no four-letter word. That is neither empty. I assume that there is a four-letter word. Now on is getting matched. Do you see that? Now use up arrow. Use up arrow. Remove that slash s plus slash s. You can remove that. Remove that. Now any two letter will get matched now. Any two letter. Right? Because in the D there is THE, right? So first TH is getting matched. Now use up arrow. Use up arrow. Up arrow. Use up arrow one more time. Now after two, you put a slash s. Slash s means space. Okay, go there and put a space. Now what will happen? Slash s. Yeah, execute that. Now you put a match 3. In the THE, HE is getting matched. Why? HE and then there is a space. That's the reason I have put a space in the front and at the tail as well. Use up arrow. Now R single quote slash s as well. R single quote slash is there as well. So which means that a space word space. Now it will specifically look for on. Now use up arrow. Use up arrow. After slashes, you put a parenthesis slash s. No, not here. There, left. Parenthesis. Start the parenthesis. No. Only start the parenthesis. Close it after the two. After two braces is there, right? Close it after that. Yes. Execute that. Now you print a match 3. Okay. Now can you put match 3 dot group? Group or groups will be there. Match 3 dot group. Enter. Sorry, I mean, please always add open parenthesis, close parenthesis. It's a method. You see on is there. Now can you please try with groups? Okay. So if you look at the groups will have multiple matches. Since there is only one match, it has put like on. Now you can you print plus print text 3. Text 3, type text 3. Let us look at the text. Text 3. Text. What is that? The course. Course has 6 letters. Starts also has 6 letters, right? Now use up arrow, change it to 6. Let us pick up the 6 letters. 6. Right, execute it. Print match 3. First match 3. And then print match 3 dot group, match 3 dot groups. Groups. Okay, so you will see, right now what is the catch here.